In the last week, I have given you the most used candlestick pattern in the chart, okay? And now it's time to learn where is the best entry point or the entry techniques in the candlestick pattern. Now, before we go to the chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX. And now, let's talk about the entry techniques of candlestick formation. Okay, let's go to the first entry technique. The first entry technique, it's on the bullish harami candle, okay? First, we have conservative entry, and the second one, we have the more aggressive entry. Let's go to the more conservative entry, okay? For the bullish harami candle, we've seen that there should be a breakout of the mother candle, okay? The high of the mother candle should have been broken out by the next or the third candle here. Okay, well, there's a question like, Alex, what if the third candle hasn't break the mother candle? What if the third candle still on the range of the mother candle like this? What should we do? Okay, that's the main question, right? Okay, what should we do is, it is no matter which candle it's getting break or how many candle to wait until the mother candle it's being break. What matter is the candle breakout itself. So for the bullish harami candle, we want to make sure that the breakout, of course, to the upside momentum like this. When the third candle hasn't been break the mother candle range, we waited for the next candle to break the mother candle range, the higher range here, okay? The high point of the mother candle like this. Okay? Okay. So that's the point. Okay, let's move to the more aggressive entry. The most aggressive entry, you should have not wait for the mother candle breakout. If the next candle after the small candle have the same opening or higher opening price than the smaller candle like this, okay, you can enter right away. Even though the mother candle rates, the higher point here, hasn't been break out yet, okay? That's why I call it as the aggressive entry. For me, I am more conservative guy, so if you are more aggressive guy or the aggressive trader, you can take this entry point as your entry techniques. Next, let's move to the bearish harami candle, okay? As usual, conservative entry and the aggressive entry. Same case. The third candle or the candle after the small candle have to break below the low of mother candle here, okay? Break and close below its low position, mother candle low position. It should be depends technique for the conservative entry. And then for the aggressive entry, same case, if you see the next candle, the third or the next candle after the small candle, it's open lower or in the same low position as the smaller candle like this, you can right away enter this position or enter based on this candlestick formation without waiting for the mother candle breakout in here, okay? That's the point for aggressive entry. Then let's start moving to the engulfing candle. For the engulfing candle, it's the same concept as the harami candle. We want to make sure for the conservative entry on the bullish engulfing candle, we want to make sure that the price or the candlestick after the big engulfing candle here, okay, it breaks the higher point or it breaks the high point of the engulfing candle like here, like this, okay? Then let's go to the more aggressive entry. On the more aggressive entry, yeah, right away, on the bullish engulfing candle right here, you can enter directly based on the engulfing candle. That's why it's called aggressive. You doesn't have to wait for the confirmation that the engulfing candle is being broken off like this, okay? You doesn't have to wait like this kind of movement. Right away, if you are aggressive for the bullish engulfing candle formation entry point, you should have not wait for the breakout of the high point of the engulfing candle. Okay, next, you say like, wait, Alex, how about the bearish engulfing candle? Okay, here, I'm going to draw it here because I am forgot to make in the illustration. So I'm going to give you guys some real explanation here on the PowerPoint. Okay, for the bearish engulfing candle, it should be looks like this. Okay, this is the smaller candle, and here is the bigger engulfing candle. Should be like this. Okay, should be full body or red candle or maybe a black candle here. So for the conservative entry, okay, for the conservative entry on the bearish, okay, this is the bearish, bear. For the bearish engulfing candle, for the conservative, you have to make sure that the price, the next candle after the bearish engulfing candle, break and below and make sure the price is close below the engulfing bearish candle like this. Just the same concept, but it's flipped upside down. You get the point here? Okay, great. So what if we have the more aggressive entry? Same case, okay? This is the smaller candle inside the bearish engulfing candle, the bigger candle like this, okay? Then I draw the wick of the candle, and in this candlestick here, we can enter right away. We can enter sell or short position right away. Okay, so the same concept like this. Okay, like this, the same concept but upside down. Okay, so for me, again, I'm more conservative entry, but there's a point where I take the more aggressive entry on the bullish or bearish engulfing candle, which is when the engulfing candle is very big. It doesn't have the wick, the very full body candle, only the body. There is no wick in top or in the bottom. That's why I use more aggressive entry point for the engulfing candle. But if we see a wick on the engulfing candle, I choose the more conservative entry. Okay, so next, let's move to the doji candle, okay? For the bullish entry point, of course, we have to wait for the breakout of the higher point or the high point of the doji candle. In the doji candle, we doesn't have the aggressive or the conservative entry. The doji candle have, if you want to enter the doji candle, you want to make sure that the price for the bullish time frame or for the bullish entry point, you want to make sure that the price itself breaks its high point on the doji candle itself. So like this. Okay. Then for the bearish candle or the bearish doji candle, we want to make sure that the price break and close below the low point of the doji candle. That's simple. The doji candle entry is very simple. Okay. Next, let's do the bullish spinning top candle. Okay, the bullish spinning top candle formation. We have conservative and aggressive. Let's go to the more conservative one first. The entry point is the same as the doji candle. We want to make sure that the price break and close above the high point here. Okay, but for the aggressive entry, it's same like the engulfing and the harami candle. If the price in the next candle is open above or within the range or the closing candle here, right here, okay, so you can enter right away without waiting for the breakout of the high point. It should be like this, okay? you can enter like this on the aggressive entry. Of course, I choose for conservative entry because I want to make sure that the bullish spinning top candle is the valid rejection or the valid trend continuation. Next, for the bearish spinning top candle, conservative entry, same case as the bullish conservative entry. We want to make sure that the price break and close below the low point of the bearish spinning top candle here. Okay, break and close below this nice candle. For the more aggressive entry, okay, if there is a price or if there is a candle who open on the point of the closing of the spinning top candle here, this is the closing point right there, here, okay, or below it, we can straight away enter sell position or short position. It should be the candle like this, okay, without waiting for the breakout and close below the low point of the spinning top candle right here. You can enter straight away when the next candle is open right on the closing point of the spinning top candle formation. Okay, you should have it now. And then we start for the shooting star candle. The shooting star candle, we have conservative and the more aggressive entry. Okay, so the conservative entry point, this is the shooting star candle right here. And if you want to enter based on the conservative entry point, you want to make sure that the next candle here, the next candle after the shooting star, okay, close and break below the last candle before the shooting star candle. It's quite complex, but in the time you have seen this video, you will understand what I mean. You can see it multiple times, and please see it multiple times so you can get the idea, the better understanding about this entry point. Okay, so that's it. And then the aggressive entry point. The aggressive entry point, this is the shooting star candle, and this is the first candle, and then this is the third candle. Okay, this is the second candle. In the third candle, you should have not wait for the price or the candle to break the low point of the first candle here. Okay, you can straight away enter based on here, as long as the opening here, the opening zone or the opening price, it's aligned or below the closing line of the shooting star candle. Right. So the last one is the morning star candle. The morning star candle, we have conservative also and the aggressive entry point. Okay, on the conservative entry point, same as on the shooting star candle, this is our first candle, this is our second candle or our morning star candle, and then the third one is our confirmation. Okay, the third one or the confirmation candle, we want to make sure that the price makes the penetration or the breakout above the high point of the first candle here. Okay, so the price close and above the high point of the first candle. Okay, so for the more aggressive entry point, we doesn't have to wait for the breakout of the first candle here. As long as the price, the opening price of the third candle here is the same point as the closing price of the second candle or the shooting star, the morning star candle. Sorry, this is wrong. Should be morning star, morning. Okay. As long as the third opening price it's align with the closing line or the closing price of the second candle or the morning star candle, you can straight away enter on the third candle without the third candle its break off or penetrating its high point of the first candle. So, guys, I hope you understand this video. This video is a bit complicated, but please make sure to watch it repeatedly. Watch it maybe 2 or 5 times in a day to get an idea, to make sure you have an idea what is the best entry technique and what is the right entry point for the candlestick that I have told you in the previous episode. So I hope you enjoyed the educational video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and comment, and also don't forget to follow our TikTok and Instagram so you can get notified if I make daily market outlook, a weekly market outlook, educational video, and many more content. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.